What's going on, everybody? Steve here, Raiken Profit over at RaikenProfit.com. And in today's video, I'm going to share with you 8 ways that you can make money on Amazon. Did you know in 2021 alone, Amazon generated over $461 billion in revenue? So today what I want to do is share with you how you can get a slice of that pie by choosing from one of these 8 strategies to make money on Amazon. Now, there are a ton of other ways you can make money on Amazon as well, but these are 8 of the strategies I've personally made money with, or at least my close friends have, and ways that you can get started as well. So without further ado, smash that like button and let's get into the video. The first method to make money selling on Amazon, and it's what I recommend everybody get started with if you've never made money on Amazon, is reselling books. I've been selling books on Amazon for over 8 years. Yes, physical books. And even though a lot of people think, oh, books are outdated, everything's going digital, I've literally made thousands and thousands of dollars going to thrift stores, garage sales, yard sales, auctions, flea markets, posting wanted ads, selling books. I even taught my mom how to sell books. She's been doing it for over 8 years. She makes $3,000 to $5,000 a month in sales, about $1,000 to $2,000 a month in profit. And again, she's 68 years old. So if she can go out, make money, and scan books, then you can definitely do it as well. I have a free workshop you can check out. It's a 5-day workshop, 100% free, no upsells, no webinars. It'll teach you everything you need to know to be able to find books, list books, ship books, how to use all the softwares. So I will link that up down below, or go to RaikenProfit.com/workshop. The second way that you can make money on Amazon, and this is actually the number one way that I'm using currently to make money selling on Amazon FBA, is buying items off of eBay and flipping it on Amazon FBA. So I'm going after DVDs, I'm going after books, I'm going after board games, electronics, calculators, all different types of items. And I actually have a team of virtual assistants who actually does this for me every single day. We're spending around $10,000 to $15,000 a month currently. My sales are over $30,000 right now. Margins around 40%. So this is a bit more of an advanced strategy, but it's definitely a great way to be able to make money selling on Amazon FBA. And if you want to learn about this strategy as well, I do have a free course that you can go through. I'll link that up down below. It's very detailed, and it'll definitely help you to start sourcing items from eBay from the comfort of your home without ever leaving your house. The third way to make money selling on Amazon, and this requires a bit more capital, it is a bit more advanced than selling books or eBay to Amazon flips, is wholesale. Now, this method of wholesale is actually building relationships and purchasing directly through wholesale distributors. So there's literally hundreds of thousands of distributors that carry all the name brands, from the soaps to the shampoos, to the speakers and headphones and microphones and all different types of items, cereals, foods you probably have in your house right now. Now, there are some limitations, and there's a bit more of a barrier to entry. You are going to have a business, an EIN number, a reseller certificate, and you're going to have to pick up the phone and build relationships with these wholesale distributors. But if you do this, I have friends of mine who make 7 figures a year literally just buying directly from the distributors. It gets shipped to a prep center or to their warehouse. They prepare it, ship it to FBA, and that's how they make money. The fourth way to make money selling on Amazon is a method known as private label or white labeling. So essentially what you do is you go to a website such as Alibaba.com, you buy a generic product, and you put your own brand on it. It's very similar at the grocery store. You ever seen your local grocery store? They have like their own branded oatmeals, they have their own branded cereals, they have their own branded whatever. What they're doing is they're building a relationship with a supplier. They're buying a generic brand that isn't trademarked or licensed, and they're putting their own name or their own label on it. And the benefit to doing this is you literally get to control the marketing and sales process much more than having to buy a wholesale brand or a brand that's already, trademarked, so on and so forth. There's less competition. There is a lot more work. You've got to wear a lot more hats because you're going to have to build your own packaging. You're going to have to, build everything from scratch, from sales to marketing to the funnels to creating the pictures. But I have friends of mine such as Andy Slammons, who he's done over $40 million. And I believe the last 7 or 8 years, he runs a coaching program called Amazing Freedom. Definitely check out their podcast. But there's really big opportunities with this method. But again, it is more advanced, requires more capital, and definitely more business skills. The fifth way to make money on Amazon, and this is great for anybody who's an influencer, if you have an Instagram following, a Facebook group, maybe a YouTube channel, is affiliate marketing. So there's a program that Amazon runs called Amazon Associates. Anybody could sign up for a free account. And essentially what you're going to do is just share the products that you use maybe in your life or your business with your audience or with your following. So you're going to get an affiliate link. It's a special coded link that Amazon is tracking. So if you share the link with maybe John or Heather, or you post it in your group and somebody purchases through that link, you're going to get a commission. Now, the way it works on Amazon is the more you actually sell and promote, they'll slowly increase your affiliate commission. And the last time I checked, if somebody purchases an item within 24 hours of clicking your link, even if it's a different item, you're still going to get a commission. I don't know if that rule has changed, but for years that was always the rule, and I always thought that was fantastic. I'd be getting commissions on all different types of weird items that I'm like, I did not promote that. So head over to Amazon Associates, and if you do have a following, definitely share the products you're using. Of course, do it ethically and only share products that you believe in. The sixth method to make money on Amazon is very similar to the wholesale distribution method. The only difference is you're actually going to go directly to the brand. Now, I have a couple of friends, Dan and Dylan. They run another coaching program called the Wholesale Formula. I've gone through their program and it's great. So essentially what you're going to do is you're going to build relationships with the brands. You're going to build relationships with the actual manufacturers. And the reason why this is a bit more beneficial versus going through a wholesale distributor is that there's a lot less competition. There's a way bigger barrier to entry because you actually have to contact the brand, the owner, or the representative, build the relationship, get the approval. And a lot of sellers, what they do in order to get those exclusive rights to sell the product is they're actually adding a lot of value to the brand. So maybe they're helping the brand improve their pictures, their key SEO, brand registry, helping them build better bullet points, helping them with PPC campaigns, and any and everything to help improve the overall listing for that brand. Nowadays, a lot of brands don't want to work with Amazon sellers because most Amazon sellers are just trying to sell their product. They're not actually trying to improve the brand and create a better experience for the actual customer. So if you're willing to reach out to brands, build relationships, offer various incentives to help them to grow their business, you can not only get those rights to sell the product, but sometimes you could become even an exclusive seller with very exclusive rights, which means more sales and more money for you. And one more thing that you can do, this is a little additional bonus tip, is a lot of my seven-figure wholesale friends, they're starting to get into a method called brand management, where they're no longer actually buying the products from the brand. They're switching over from exclusive wholesale rights to actually managing the entire brand's sales funnel through Amazon. So the brand will actually sell the product and they will just control, overlook, and manage everything step by step, which is a great way to be able to preserve cash flow, make more money on the bottom line working with the brand. The seventh way to make money selling on Amazon is a method known as Kindle publishing. So for all the folks out there that are hating on selling physical books, this one will be a great one for you. I've actually made tens of thousands of dollars through this method. Now, this method is going to require you to either write a book on your own, or you can actually outsource the writing of a book through a ghostwriter. There's websites you can use such as Fiverr.com, onlinejobs.ph. You can also use Upwork.com. Do the research in advance to figure out what keywords people are searching for, what topics people want to read about, and maybe you can find an opportunity that the market has not fulfilled yet. So all you have to do is write this ebook, publish it to Amazon.com, and you'll earn royalties on every ebook which is sold. Now, of course, this is a lot easier said than done. There's a whole lot of things that go into this process, but I've actually had multiple ghostwriters write over 200 ebooks for me. And at one point I was actually making over $10,000 a month. I actually ended up getting out of that business because I wasn't very passionate about it and I love selling physical products more. But that business now, to date, even 5+ years later, is still making over $1,000 a month. And when you write a digital ebook and publish it on Kindle, this is Kindle publishing, you can also repurpose that content through CreateSpace, which is a print-on-demand service for a physical book, and you can actually repurpose it through Audible. And what you'll do is you'll have somebody record the audio version of that book, and every time you sell a CreateSpace book or an Audible book, you earn a commission. This is one of the best passive income strategies, as long as you're able to find a book to publish that's in demand, repurpose it in all platforms, and create a product that people actually enjoy. The biggest problem with this method is a lot of people outsource ebooks. I even did it when I was doing it that are crap, that aren't high quality, and you get a lot of negative reviews. The books don't sell, and it's just a lose-lose situation for everyone. So if you are gonna write a book or outsource a book, make sure that you find a really high quality writer and create an ebook that actually helps people and serves the market in a positive manner. And last but not least, the eighth method to make money on Amazon is very similar to Kindle publishing, but it's actually with print-on-demand shirts. So Kindle publishing, CreateSpace, Audible, that's all print-on-demand ebooks, physical books, and of course, the digital audiobook. But when it comes to Merch by Amazon, this is a program that Amazon created probably, 5-6 years ago, where you can actually upload a graphic design for a t-shirt, put it on the digital shirt, and when someone buys it, it'll actually push the order over to Amazon. They'll actually print your graphic design on the shirt and ship it to the customer, and you get a royalty. This is a great way to make passive income. I've had friends of mine who have uploaded thousands of designs, and when it sells, Amazon does all the work and they get paid. Now, again, just like with every one of these strategies, easier said than done. It takes work, it's a hustle, and there's a million other things you're gonna need to do to obviously get results. But the whole purpose of this video was to share the various ways that I've been making money, or my friends have been making money, or people in my network have been making money on Amazon. As I mentioned earlier, there's a ton of different ways to make money on Amazon. I wouldn't recommend going and working for Amazon and making 14 to 15 bucks an hour. And there's a ton of other ways that just seem like too much work. So hopefully you found value in this video, and leave a comment down below and let me know which method to make money on Amazon you're most excited about. With that being said, much love. Be sure to share this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.